To either side, there are a couple key things. First, you have to make sure that the bike is in gear. Why would you want the motorcycle in gear, not neutral? If you're on any kind of angle, when you pick the bike up, it's going to try to roll away on you, right? And what's going to happen then? It's going to fall down again, and you're going to have to pick it up a second time. It gets a little bit exhausting if you don't do it correctly. All right. Second thing, if the bike falls down to the right, you want to extend. Deploy the side stand. Make sure it's locked so that when you lift the bike up, what's going to happen if you don't have the side stand down? It's going to fall to the other side and you're going to wind up picking it up again. So in order to save the exercise for the gym, do those two things and you only have to pick it up once. Now Brian is going to show you the proper technique. Notice he uses his left hand on the right hand grip. Turns the handlebars fully locked to the right, gets his butt down into the seat, nice and low, so he's using his legs to pick the bike up. His back is straight, he looks straight forward, and takes small steps backward. So basically he's walking the bike upright, and he's using his thigh muscles to lift the bike, not his back and not his arms. Same thing to the left side. The only thing is you're not going to have the advantage of the side stand being down. So basically what Rob did is he lifted the bike using the same technique with the handlebars turned to the left, and he held the bike upright with his hip and pivoted, put the side stand down, done. The bike is lifted. Now if you happen to have the luxury of being riding with a buddy or you have a passenger, even a light passenger, you can use them as a fulcrum to help you lift the bike. What that individual could do to assist you is stand on the floorboard on the high side of the bike, whichever the side is still facing up. So Rob is standing on his floorboard, holding a grip, and Brian can lift the bike with one hand behind his back because he has some assistance there. Same thing to the left side, just the opposite floorboard that you're standing on. So even your wife, your kid, whoever's around can help you with that. All right, so I need a couple, 3, 4 bands. Isn't that you?
Okay, here we go again. Let's lift that bike.
There you go, just admit it. He's a workout buddy. All right, we're going to have Brian from Hutchinson, Kansas show us how to throw this motorcycle. Made it look easy. All right, let's cheer on Kathy as she gives it the old college try, and I bet she can do it.
Come on, Kathy. Step back, 1 foot at a time. Step back, 1 foot at a time. There you go. Keep going, a little bit more. Yeah. Look at that.
Basically deadlifting it.
Now for all you guys out there that are nervous about picking up a bike, we have Valerie from Columbia who looks like she weighs about 90 pounds. She's going to lift that 800-pound motorcycle. Look at that. See how much easier it is? Theodore's going to get it later. And not in a good way.
Straight back.
There you go. Look at that. She made it look easy.